Welcome back to the channel. It's been a bit. I'm just gonna jump straight into today's title. You know what it is. Pretty sure some of you are actually excited for this one. I took a trip way down to Connecticut. Should have filmed the entire thing, but you know, I don't know, I was just lazy. But I got it here now, and I figured, well, since I'm gonna be working on it and stuff, straight from scratch, because there's a lot to work on with this car. I said I might as well record it. I haven't done anything for my YouTube in a bit. So without further ado, let me go and show y'all what we're working with. Now I got the interior detailing, brushes, you know, rags, stuff I need to just start cleaning. Kind of dirty in here. And you know, just little quality of life stuff like my blind spot mirrors. I don't need them, I just like them. But first, it's time for a Starbucks stop. So, yeah, man, it's kind of tight in here.
Hi, thanks for choosing Starbucks on my grabbing test.
GoPro should be done charging. It's done. So, here it is, the car I've been waiting for so long, Acura RSX, and here's my previous vehicle, still current, Jaguar X Type 2004. I'll show you the interior. Let's start with that, and then we'll go to the exterior. So, if you get in the vehicle, your standard wheel, owner didn't change it at all. Controls, cruise control button should be off, and then we have the roof option with. We also have heated mirror. If you're living in a cold state up north, that's very helpful to have. The center console, I'm going to take this whole thing apart anyway, but before I take it apart, I want to clean it so I can keep this actually OEM. If I do sell this in the future, I'll put this back in, but I'll clean it before I take it out. I'm going to do the whole interior, just cleaning everything. It gives that sportsy, like, race car interior, I think. Or the race car feel. I said interior. I think it's because of the lining. I don't know if you guys can catch this on the camera. The lining is like this. It's almost like a carbon fiber, but it's not black. What we're working with is a rear view mirror that actually is damaged, so I'm gonna have to take it off. Looks like it's easily accessible to take off. These are still good. I added that. I'm gonna just take these floor mats out, clean it, and then this carpet I know is destroyed. I know it's destroyed. So I'm gonna take it out and probably just do the whole carpet black, to be honest. The seats are actually bucket seats, but the driver's seat is just torn. Like all the leather is ripped and torn. Passenger seat's okay, it just needs a real deep clean. The back seats are nothing special. They're on my blanket because they got cold on the travel. Back seats aren't nothing, but it needs a deep clean. Look at that. It needs a deep clean. But apart from that, I mean, everything's pretty. The car's actually a hatchback, so that means I can unlock it. The car's actually a hatchback, so it has tons of storage back here. And I can even put the seats down for more. Here go all the cleaning supplies I just picked up. Actually, now that I'm here, I might as well go through what we're using. Gonna use rich leather cleaner, conditioner, all that. I actually got this for 58 cents. They had a sale. This is water repellent. I already got some on the front windshield because of the wipers, but hey. Interior detailer cleaning, just a degreaser, to be honest. Gonna do the windows. I got glass cleaner for that. I got shop towels, and I got a detailing brush. I am in no way a professional qualified detailer, so I'm not gonna like I wouldn't recommend doing what I do. I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do. Not sure if it's like the correct way to do detailing at all. Just light detailing, it's not heavy. I'm not doing no heavy yet. It's kind of cold outside to do heavy detailing. But yeah, I'm just doing a light detail. The steering wheel's actually all sorts of messed up. So you got torn, just torn everything. Glad that that's the only issues with the car, to be honest, because everything else mechanically is intact. The owner actually took good care of the mechanics of the car. Cosmetically, he did not. And with the window cleaner, I'm gonna actually take these off with a razor blade. Now here's where the car gets difficult to work with. The bumper kind of destroyed. You can see here we got peeling, and it looks like he like duct taped this back together, which is going to be very fun. Obviously, this badge I'm gonna take off and replace it with a Honda badge, because that's what everyone with with the RSX. That's what everyone does. This fog light fixtures are destroyed, but the fog lights actually still work. That fog light is kind of dead. Both of them actually, they're kind of really yellow and dead. So what I'm just gonna do is just gonna take these out. To be honest, I keep saying to be honest, I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna replace them with newer fog light chassis or whatever you want to call them. For the license plate, I'm gonna relocate it to the left side. The hood is actually the worst parts of the car. Yeah, it's peeling. I'm going to have to restore these like 5 times over. Use the sandpaper and soapy water method. Let's go over the Jag, shall we? This is my beauty, my 2004 Jaguar X Type. I did a little bit of modifications here and there. See, this car is the opposite from this car. This car looks terrible cosmetically, but great in maintenance and it's kept up with. While this car, great looking, except for that eBay spoiler. Kind of riced it out, but you know. But the mechanics of it is kind of bad. I'm gonna power this on so you can hear how this sounds, because I actually did a muffler delete on this, so I'm sure everybody wants to hear that. Look at my little Mugen tow hook. Now this isn't any aftermarket exhaust system. I literally just went to AutoZone, got tailpipes, and literally made my own muffler delete. So let's go power it on. That's what the X Type sounds like with a muffler delete, and I actually really enjoy the sound of the engine on this. I'm gonna actually get the GoPro, attach it to the back so you guys can hear that, and let's take it for a little spin. Alright, here we go, hitting the side roads. Here we go. Make sure the GoPro's still attached. I don't want that being a problem. I don't think I latched it on correctly. Yep, still looks good. Alright. Safety first. Now I know everybody wants to hear the RSX stock. There we go, let me just make sure this is good. Okay. There goes the VTEC. Alright, I'm gonna do manual shift with longer pulls. Yeah, you get more RPM range between gears. You really do. So, I just want to thank everybody who's been on the channel and still watching, even though I haven't uploaded in so long. I'm glad you guys are still here, because now, you know, I got a lot more content to do with this car. I just wanted to be warm so I can just be out here just sweating, doing what I like to do on my pastime. Like I said, I got more content coming on the way, but I'm really waiting for it to get warm. I don't know when that'll be. It's been, like, just cold. Anyways, there's a lot of work to do on this car. A whole lot. Alright guys, thanks for watching.